Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a working model of solar system for a B.Ed project. I have taken a waste cardboard for the base and had cut a circle of about 2 feet in diameter with the help of a painting of the same size. For the planets, I have taken ready-made thermocol balls, or you can take these lightweight balls. Earlier, I had made one project in which I had used that plastic balls, but today I am going to try it with thermocol balls. And for securing the balls to the center, I have used skewers, which is used in tandoors. Now I will give the exact size of the planets by peeling the thermocol balls and reducing the size to their proportions. You can see 8 different size of balls for the 8 planets. Now I will hone these planets means thermocol balls with sandpaper just to give a finishing look. As you know, thermocoals are densely packed with very tiny thermocol particles, means roundels, so they will not become so smooth. I have marked the initials of the planets so I will not get confused while coloring them. This is the biggest one, that is Jupiter. I am coloring them according to the pics taken from the internet. Now I have colored all the planets accordingly. Meanwhile, they are drying. I am covering my cardboard with black paper, or you can do the black acrylic color on it. From here comes all the tricky part of the project, so keep your mind attentive. I don't have a bigger rounder, means board rounder, which are used on blackboards. So I am using chord method for finding out the center of the circle. Here I am using the T scale which was used in my interior designing classes. If you're not having a bigger ruler or a scale, you can use a straight cardboard. Draw 3 chords which meet in a triangle. Chords you might be knowing are the lines which join 2 points on a circle. Now we have to find the half of the chord, means center of the chord, for which I am using a strip of the paper. I will measure the exact length of the chord and then fold the paper in the half, and it will give the center of the chord. Or otherwise you can use the normal method, means you can use the scale and mark the inches or centimeters exact half of that, or you can bisect the line and make perpendicular lines with the rounder. But I found this method very easy. On the bigger canvases I use the same method. I used to take a strip of the paper, or you can take a thread and fold it in half to get the center. Now we have to draw the perpendiculars on the center of the chord. Wherever these perpendiculars will intersect, that will be the center of the circle. As my cardboard is of bigger size and I don't have that geometrical equipments of bigger size, so I am using the cover of the sketchbook just to place one side on the chord connecting to the center, and draw the perpendicular from the other side. Draw all the 3 perpendiculars, and wherever they will meet, that is the center of the circle. Just make a hole. After getting the center of the circle, I will draw concentric circles, sorry, 8 concentric circles for the 8 planets orbit. For the first 3 or 4 circles, I used the rounder which comes in the geometry box, but it was not covering the full cardboard. So I decided to make the other circles, means outer circles, freehand only. This definitely needs a little bit of practice. Now I am using white color to glorify these concentric circles. This is white acrylic paint and I will embellish it with the glitter tube. So I have taken a silver glitter tube and I am just covering the circles with this to just give a shiny effect. And some dots here and there to give the galaxy effect. Now it's time to attach the motor, place the sun and attach the planets, and this was the most tedious part of this project. Let's prepare the sun and planets as my client wanted the sun to be rotating also. For making the ring around the Saturn, I have taken a black paper and I will paste it around the Saturn, and with silver lining, I will enhance the ring. For the faraway planets, I am using a piece of skewer to the main skewer to make it longer. I have taken cardboard pieces of equal size to make the legs on the backside of my project. I am attaching legs because I will attach a motor and battery over there. So I am giving the height with legs. Now at the back side in the center I will attach a low RPM motor which I have ordered from Amazon. You can see the two outlets in the motor, one is positive and one is negative, that you will check by touching with the wire. I have taken the thinnest wire and I will attach black and red to distinguish between the positive and negative outlets. Just zoom out and check the connections. I have attached black wire of the connector which comes with the battery to the black of the motor, black wire of the motor, and red with red. Make sure to connect the switch to the black wires only and do not connect the switch to red and black wires simultaneously. Just connect the switch, two legs of the switch, to the black wires only. For the proper understanding of the connections of the wires and switches, you can see the video of my windmill project. I will put the link in the description. Now I am coloring all the skewers black. Now comes the most annoying part. Actually, the planets and sun was not balancing on the motor. I tried and tried again and again, but it was so tedious. Finally, what I did, I cut a pen, an old pen, and put it on the outer circumference of the motor and inserted a toothpick in the inside hole of the motor and then filled it with the glue stick. It became harder. Then I balanced the sun and planets on it. And finally, with lots of trial to balance the planets, my solar system project is complete. Please do subscribe if you like the process. Thank you.